Hello Josh, I'm Roger here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough in Scarborough, Maine. Nice chatting with you this morning. You requested me do a walk-around video of the Metris. So we're out here doing that for you. It's a 2020 rear-wheel drive. It does have dual sliding doors, and I'll show that to you. One of my local contractors, he refurbishes our wheels here at the dealership. He traded it in with me. He buys all of his Metrises from me, so takes really good care of them. And as you can see, the interior is in great shape. It does have the cargo partition, so I'm not sure exactly what you're using it for yet, but if you don't need the partition, you can remove it. It just bolts in. The Metris has 8 feet of floor space to utilize. You can get 4x8 sheets of plywood or sheetrock in here. We're going to come around here to the back of the Metris. So one thing, the Metris has this lever right here, brace to latch it in place. It has that on both sides. These doors still, they open up 270 degrees as well. You can open that right up. So nice easy access in and out of the back of the van. As well as I want to show something else to you too. So if your back doors are open, you can't open your sliding door all the way. So if you need both doors open, you can latch your back doors in place at 180 degrees, or 90 degrees rather, and you can have your sliding door open. So you got dual sliding doors, easy access into the storage part of the vehicle. And as you can see from the driver's side, the Metris van is in very nice shape. Just a great Metris. So Josh, if this Metris van works for you, please give me a call back. My name's Roger. My cell number is 207-838-0169. Thank you so much.